We might have good livestock data, but that doesn't mean it's going to be used for decision making. So we need to understand what kind of data and information decision makers need. That's why we have prepared a guide for the livestock data community to better understand who your decision makers are and what their data needs are. Phase 1 of the guide has 8 steps to help you identify exactly who your decision makers are. This includes agreeing on your definition of decision maker and defining the scope of your study, such as geography or social groups. By the end of this phase, you should have enough information to generate a visual map of your decision makers and the kinds of decisions they make that require data and evidence. Phase 2 guides you through 5 steps to help you understand the data needs of your selected decision makers. This will involve speaking to different kinds of decision makers and other key informants who have practical insights on how data is used. We highlight some approaches for running qualitative interviews to help you make the most of these conversations. Through this process, you can learn which data sources are seen as valuable for different kinds of decisions, as well as the habits that influence people's decision-making. By the end of your study, you may be able to identify information gaps, potential actions, investment areas, and new opportunities or ways to engage with a group of decision makers. Find out what we learned about livestock decision makers' data needs and get the step-by-step guide to run your own study. Visit livestockdata.org.